geometric sequence has u2 equals minus 6 and u5 equals 162. Find its general term. So I would say the easiest way to do this, if you get, say, you have a u1 and then you've got your u2 is minus 6, and then you've got u3 that you don't know, u4 that you don't know, and u5 is 162. By far the easiest way is to kind of draw these arrows, which hopefully you won't need arrows for long, times r times r times r, so you know that minus 6 times r cubed equals 162, which would mean that r cubed would be 162 divided by minus 6. Well, to divide by minus 6, we can divide by 2 and divide by 3 and then change the sign. So 162 divided by 2 is 81. 81 divided by 3 is 27, so r cubed must be minus 27, which would mean r would be the cube root of minus 27, which must be minus 3. Well, if r was minus 3, so we've got your u1 and u2 is minus 6, so to go this way, well, to go this way we times by minus 3, so to go the other way we must divide by minus 3. So minus 6 divided by minus 3 is 2, so u1, first term, must equal 2. So if u1 is 2 and r is minus 3, you know that un equals u1 times r to the power n minus 1, which must mean that un equals 2 times minus 3 to the power n minus 1. Now that is one method of finding r. I'll just show you another method just in case you haven't seen it. So you're given two pieces of information. You're given u2 equals minus 6. So you know that that means that u1 times r to the 2 minus 1, so to r to the 1, equals minus 6. You also know that u5 equals 162, which means that u1 times r to the 5 minus 1, r to the 4, equals 162. So if I kind of write those the other way around to make it easier, so if I say u1 times r to the 4 equals 162 and u1 times r equals minus 6, say I call these two simultaneous equations because they're going to have the same value of u1 and r that makes it true. What you could do, you could say, well, I'm going to divide equation 1 by equation 2. So if I do u1 divided by u1, well, that's just 1. R to the 4 divided by r is r cubed, and 162 divided by minus 6 we've already established is minus 27. And then from that you could proceed to find u1 and so on. You could probably do it by some substitution as well.